Today's topic is something that might surprise you. It's the unexpected surge in women choosing to wax over the age of 50. This is onto your typical waxing trend among teenagers or young adults. It's a fascinating development in the beauty industry with a lot more going on beneath the surface. Let us explore this phenomenon and uncover the compelling reasons behind why so many women are opting for waxing as they step into their golden years. Stay tuned until the end of this video. You won't want to miss what we've got in store for you. According to recent surveys, there has been a significant rise in the number of women aged 50 and above who have expressed interest in hair removal treatments like waxing. But why is this happening now? Why is waxing suddenly trending among this older demographic? Is it just about vanity, or are there deeper cultural shifts at play? To understand this trend, we need to look at the evolving perceptions of beauty and self-care, hygiene, and changing social norms around grooming. And we also need to recognize the empowerment that comes with making choices about our own bodies as we age. A big part of this trend is a change in attitude towards grooming. It's no longer seen as something only for the youth. Women over 50 are realizing that they deserve to feel pampered and taken care of too, and waxing is one way to achieve that. When women in their 50s and beyond choose to wax, they're not just removing unwanted hair. They're also taking control of their own bodies and making a statement that they won't be defined by societal expectations or stereotypes. This newfound confidence and independence is a significant factor driving the rise in popularity of waxing among mature women. But the reasons go beyond just personal care. There are practical benefits to waxing that appeal to women of all ages, including those over 50. One major advantage is that the results last longer compared to shaving. With waxing, it can take anywhere from 3 to 6 weeks for the hair to grow back, providing a longer period of smooth and hair-free skin. On the other hand, shaving only offers a few days of smoothness before the stubble starts to show. For busy women who may not have time for frequent touch-ups, waxing is a more convenient and efficient solution. Another practical benefit is that waxing removes hair from the root, which helps prevent ingrown hairs and razor burn. These are common issues for women, especially as they age, due to hormonal changes and thicker, coarser hair growth. By opting for waxing, mature women can enjoy smoother skin without the discomfort of ingrown hairs or irritated bumps, which can sometimes lead to infections if left untreated. Women over 50 are also drawn to waxing because it can help exfoliate the skin, leaving it smoother and softer. As we age, our skin may become drier and rougher, and dead skin cells can accumulate, making it appear dull and lifeless. Waxing not only removes unwanted hair, but also acts as a gentle form of exfoliation, revealing brighter and smoother skin underneath. This can be particularly appealing to mature women who want to maintain healthy and radiant skin as they get older. Let's talk about a little secret that many women over 50 have discovered. It's a game changer when it comes to achieving smooth, silky skin while keeping pesky hairs at bay. And guess what? It's not your average moisturizer or lotion. No, my friends, it's good old petroleum jelly, aka Vaseline. And here's why it's a must-have for mature ladies who love to wax. First off, Vaseline is a fantastic moisturizer that keeps the skin hydrated and supple. As we age, our skin tends to get drier, which can make it rough and uncomfortable. But with Vaseline, you can say goodbye to that. Applying a thin layer of this jelly leaves your skin feeling soft and smooth, making it the perfect prep for waxing. Here's another great tip. Using Vaseline as an after-wax treatment is a game changer. After getting waxed, apply a generous amount of Vaseline to the area and let it sink in. This will soothe any redness or irritation and help those pesky little bumps disappear faster. Plus, it'll keep your skin moisturized and prevent it from drying out. But wait, there's more. Vaseline is also a fantastic makeup remover. Yes, you heard it right. This humble jelly can take off even the most stubborn of makeup. So if you're in your 50s or beyond and looking for a gentle yet effective way to remove makeup, look no further. Vaseline is your new best friend. It's non-toxic, non-irritating, and won't clog your pores. And let's not forget about its anti-aging properties. Vaseline is rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals and help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's like having a personal anti-aging cream right at the tip of your fingers. So if you're concerned about signs of aging, consider adding Vaseline to your daily skincare routine. Alright, let's move on to another reason why waxing is becoming popular among women over 50. It's confidence. The decision to undergo waxing at an older age is often driven by a desire to feel confident and empowered in one's own skin. As women age, they may face societal pressures and stereotypes that associate youthfulness with beauty. By choosing to remove unwanted hair, these women challenge these stereotypes and make a statement that they refuse to be defined by conventional beauty standards. It's about taking control of their own image and presenting themselves to the world on their own terms. So why is waxing so popular in the USA and Canada? Well, there's a simple explanation. People in these countries prioritize self-care and grooming, and they're not afraid to experiment with different beauty treatments to find what works best for them. What's more, the US and Canada have some of the highest standards of hygiene in the world. That means that people are very conscious of how they smell and look, which makes waxing a very attractive option. Additionally, many people in these countries have access to a wide range of beauty services, including waxing. Salons and spas are abundant, and many offer competitive prices and high-quality services. So if you're in the US or Canada and considering giving waxing a try, you're in luck. Just search online for reputable salons and book your appointment. You'll be glad you did. Before we delve into the travel and beach aspect, let's address a concern that often arises. Is it safe to wax as you age? The answer is yes. In fact, millions of women over 50 have safely embraced waxing as part of their beauty routines. While it's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have certain skin conditions or are on medication, generally, waxing is a safe and enjoyable experience for mature women. Now, let us talk about a major plus for women over 50 who love to travel or spend time at the beach. It's the freedom from the hassle of packing razors and shaving creams. When you're traveling, it's essential to keep things simple and streamlined. So instead of lugging around bulky shaving gear, you can opt for waxing and enjoy the convenience of smooth, hair-free skin without the need for any additional products or accessories. Whether you're heading to a tropical beach destination or exploring a new city, waxing makes it easy to pack light and focus on creating unforgettable memories. No more worrying about cuts, nicks, or forgotten supplies. Just relax, enjoy your trip, and let the compliments roll in on your gorgeous, smooth skin. Now let's discuss the rise of mature women sharing their waxing experiences on social media. As more and more women over 50 embrace waxing, they're taking to social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok to share their experiences, tips, and tricks. These women are breaking down stigmas and inspiring others to prioritize their own self-care and grooming. By following these real-life role models, younger generations can gain valuable insights and feel empowered to make informed decisions about their own beauty routines. So if you're looking for inspiration or advice, don't hesitate to join the community of mature women who are redefining beauty standards and embracing waxing as a fun and effective hair removal method. Ladies over 50 are showing that it is never too late to take care of yourself and feel confident in your own skin. And let's not forget that waxing isn't just about vanity, it's about empowerment. It's a way for women to take control of their own bodies and present themselves to the world on their own terms. As skincare becomes a priority for mature women, especially after waxing, there is a growing focus on using products specifically designed for aging skin. These products often contain ingredients like retinol, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C, which can help improve skin texture, reduce wrinkles, and brighten the complexion. By investing in quality skincare, mature women can enhance the results of waxing and achieve long-lasting, glowing skin. In addition to traditional waxing services, many salons and spas now offer sugaring as an alternative hair removal method. Sugaring is a natural and organic process that uses a sugar-based paste to remove unwanted hair. It's suitable for all skin types and can be particularly beneficial for sensitive skin. Mature women seeking more eco-friendly or natural hair removal options often opt for sugaring. Overall, the rising popularity of waxing among women over 50 in the US and Canada reflects a broader cultural shift towards body positivity, self-acceptance, and confidence. Women are realizing that they don't need to conform to unrealistic beauty standards and that self-care is an investment in their own well-being and happiness. And guess what? We're here to support and encourage every woman on her journey towards self-love and acceptance. So if you're a woman over 50 who's considering waxing, go for it. Embrace this wonderful experience that can leave you feeling more confident, beautiful, and ready to take on the world.